welcome to another thing where you show stuff out from other people.
What channel is this?
Doodle dollars.
Doodle Dollars. So we have this from, do you remember who it's from? Vicky.
Vicky.
And she said, "Hi, Courtney and Aria. I just wanted to send a little gift for Aria for her to save with. I am still working on my double-sided challenges. I hope she likes it. The others are for you for simply just being so supportive. Thank you, friend." Always, Vicky. Oh no, she said this is the second time that she sent it because she wrote my address wrong the first time. Oh, I'm so sorry. I did get it. Yay. Oh, all right. So I think this one in here is for you. Look.
Now?
Yeah. Do you see? What does that say?
Aria.
Aria's what? Aria's
Saving challenge.
rainbow.
Rainbow.
Do you want to open it?
There's some more stuff in there.
Yeah, let's see what's in there.
This is for you.
This is for me. I think this is probably more for me. Can you find out where to open it?
Right here.
Yeah, go ahead. Show us what you got in there.
So I have this rainbow stuff, something on the back,
And
color.
Color and save, and a rainbow one. Let's see what it says here, okay? I hope you don't mind. I sent something to Aria. I just think it's so cute. She helps you in your videos. I love that.
What is it?
Look it says Aria's Search and Save. So look, you scratch these off, and if you find a star, you save how many dollars?
One.
What if you find a cloud?
You do two.
What about a sun?
Two.
What about a frog?
3.
What about a bee?
4.
And what about a rainbow?
5.
That's so cute. And then each one of these things that you color is $5. So cute. I love that, Vicky. Thank you. Do you love it? And what is that one? Ooh. This says, a veces hay que wait. Seguir. Como si nada, como nadie, como nunca.
What does that mean?
Let me see. She wrote the translation. So sometimes you have to keep going like nothing, like nobody, like nothing. Free to color. Cool. Okay.
Now the rainbow.
And the rainbow one, it says
Aria.
Aria's a rainbow. And you get to scratch off. And it's $1 through $5. And then look on the back. This is where you roll and you write the number in on each star and you save that amount. Isn't that so cute?
Can we do them?
You want to do some?
Yeah.
Okay. We can do some.
I'll do all of mine.
You want to do all of yours? Okay.
Yeah, I just love them.
All right, let's see. Hold on. Let me rearrange some stuff, guys, and we'll be right back and we'll do some savings challenges for Aria, okay? Okay, I also forgot to mention in all of our excitement about Aria's challenges, the Ghoulie funded what's it called? Placeholder that she sent, and these little stickers here. So cute. Love this. I saw this on her Ko-fi shop and I was like, this is so cute. So thank you so much, Vicky. We are so excited. So Aria, how much money do we have?
I'm start counting them.
Oh, well, can I tell you?
Yeah.
We have $20. Okay. Which one of these do you want to do first? We should get you your own little binder, huh?
I wanna do all of them.
Well, which one first, though?
I wanna do the other one that she gave me.
The color and save? Okay. So we'll do the color and save first. Which bug do you want to color in?
I'm going pink.
All right, go for it.
Pink's pink.
All right, let's talk to the people about what's going on. What's been going on in your life?
Well, I was sick some days.
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
Yeah, I know, but now I'm feeling better. So I'm feeling good that I'm not sick anymore.
Yeah.
Good.
That's good. And what have you been learning in school?
Well, I've been learning a lot of things. I can't really tell because there's just a lot.
What is tomorrow at your school?
Mm-hmm.
What's it called? When it's... Yeah.
Fun Friday.
Fun Friday. What do you normally do on Fun Friday?
I don't know. We normally just set up stuff. We do like fun stuff.
You do fun stuff. Like one time you had like a petting zoo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're doing such a good job coloring.
What's the feet supposed to
I think you could do like a lighter pink if you want.
Are they like light up pink?
I'm not really sure. They might be black, actually. You want to do black?
Yeah.
So on Fun Friday, you usually what comes like doesn't the book bus come on Fridays?
Yes, sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Not all times.
Not all the times. And you learned about chameleons this past week, right? You've been learning about chameleons.
Mm-hmm.
What do chameleons do?
They change color.
Uh-huh.
But I also forgot some things. It was just like not alone.
Yeah. All right, so let's get $5 to save with this one. Can you count out $5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Awesome. Okay, let's stack them all together. You did a great job coloring.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you like how I did it?
I do. I love how you did it. You did it so carefully. So, you know, Aria has been learning how to spell her colors.
What spell colors?
Spell, like, you know, you say R-E-D, red.
R-E-D. I can spell red. I can spell red. First looks red. And it's upside too. R-D, red.
R-E-D, red. Nice. All right, I'm just going to flip. Do you want to do this one next?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want to just pick one to scratch? Or should we roll and count?
Well,
Okay, go for it. 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
See?
So you've been learning.
I think it's the sun or star.
Oh, okay. We'll have to see. So she's been learning.
Sun.
It's a sun?
Yeah.
So cute. Okay.
$2.
$2. So go ahead and grab $2.
Okay, but after I do this.
And what did you say today? You were telling Mommy that your favorite subject was? The favorite thing that you do in school? Was math?
Yeah.
What do you like doing in math?
Just like learning. There's a lot of stuff that I like doing in math.
Yeah. Oh, you scratched all of it off. Nice. Okay. Okay. Shake off all the dust. All right. And then grab $2.
1, 2.
Okay. Do you want to scratch another one
Yep.
on this? Okay. Here you go. 3.
I can't.
So you can go from here 1, 2, and count that way if you want.
3.
There you go.
I think it's like a frog.
Yeah,
Yeah, it has the same eye.
that's a good prediction. I don't know. Maybe it's the rainbow.
That's not.
Are you sure?
It's green. See?
Oh, I see. You're right, I think. This is so cute, Vicky. Thank you so much. What is so kind of her to send this to us, huh?
Yeah. I love the thing she gave me.
I know. It's like your first birthday present.
Yeah.
All right. So how many dollars are we saving with Mr. Frog?
3.
$3.
Mr. Frog. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. All right. So with this one, we have $5 saved so far. Okay. Do you want to do the next one?
Yeah. Rainbow.
All right.
Rainbow.
I'm going to stick this in a little folder or a little envelope here for you until we get a binder for you. Okay. I'll try to maybe get a binder this weekend for you. Okay.
Maybe for my birthday you could get some more challenges.
Oh, that's a great idea. Some more challenges for your birthday?
Like some more for my little. Maybe I can make like a book like you have.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
4.
You could do your own binder.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. I think you're going to scratch off to reveal a number on this on
2.
this one? Is it 2?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to scratch off the whole thing?
Mhm.
Okay. Shake off the dust. Good job.
Something more dust.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So we're saving $2, huh?
1, 2.
All right. Do you want to scratch another one on this one?
Yay!
All
I'm
right.
gonna put this on the.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Even if it's not that one. I can put it on that. 5. 2. 2 again.
2. Nice. So
I already done the 2.
what does 2 plus 2 mean? Or what does 2 plus 2 equal?
4.
Yeah, good job.
I didn't even have to count. I just said 1, 2 in my brain.
Yeah, you're so good.
I
So-
just remember that.
Do you want to tell them about the cake that we're going to order for your birthday? I was telling them a little bit in my last video.
It was like a butterfly one.
Mm-hmm.
Has butterflies on cake, like chocolate butterflies. Maybe like vanilla, but might be chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
But also a one that was like so pretty. It was like I think it like spelled something on top.
Probably just happy birthday, huh?
Maybe.
All right, this is the last one. So this is a rainbow roll and save. Go ahead and roll.
So then you count and then see.
And then you see what number you got, and then you write it in one of the stars. And then you count, or then you add the money.
Since this is your favorite color, I'm gonna use pink.
Okay, perfect.
It's the same pink for the other one. It's the same
Oh,
pink
the
for
same pink you used for the pig? Nice. Love it. All right, go ahead.
Free.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do it on free. Let's use this one for like a count to like the number.
Sure, you can do it
This is
however,
not.
however you want. Okay, can you write the number 3 in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So $3. You want to roll again?
Mhm.
4.
Okay, since this is my favorite color, I'm gonna use this color.
Perfect.
It's just after free, so it's like the next 3 days.
Mm-hmm. And what is 3 plus 4?
7.
Yeah. So we have $7 that we're going to put in, okay?
Okay.
So can you count the monies? Add 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh! Oh no! What happened?
We want no money.
We ran out of money. So what does that mean?
Hmm.
That means we have an IOU. So next time, we will actually, should we just fix it right now?
Mhm.
All right. Why don't you grab $1 from there?
And
Good
then 7.
job. All right. Perfect.
So,
And now we have 7. Now we don't have an IOU for that one.
Yeah.
All right.
Because
Well,
we just got it. We don't have an IOU, and if we just
I
got
know. I know. That would be sad, huh? All right. So I will get a binder for you, okay? And we can have these challenges in there for you.
it. So you have so for my birthday, you're gonna give me like a lot of challenges.
I'll buy some challenges for you. Yep.
Yeah.
Or maybe I'll make them. Okay?
Maybe I'll like get a lot or something.
Yeah, I'll get plenty for you. All right. All right. What do you say to everyone?
Thanks for watching, and mostly Vicky. Thank you for giving us these prizes. We love them.
We do love
And
them.
I really love mine. It's so cool. I love that coloring one.
I
I
do love
love
that
how I
coloring.
color and all those insects. It's so cool.
Yes.
So thank you, Vicky.
Thank you, Vicky. Thank you so much. And thank you everyone else for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.